Have to tell you guys what has just happened. Listen, amazing things is happening now, people. We're back out with the shopping trolley, people. Yeah, our good vibes. I've got some good news, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get these emails that I've got back, and I just want to show you guys all the good news and talk to you guys about what's actually going to be happening now. Because remember, we've got the information that we're not allowed to be out, but right now we've got some more information, people. Yeah, so I would really like to share that with you. Yeah, with the whole experience, the whole journey of Ringo Vision being banned from the local community and whatnot, and with the map that they issued. I hope you guys have actually seen the map that they've actually issued, in the sense of where I can be and where I can't be. So it's a good vibes, people. Yeah, I have to tell you guys what has just happened. Listen, amazing things is happening now, people. We're back out with the shopping trolley, people. Yeah, our good vibes. I've got some good news, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get these emails that I've got back, and I just want to show you guys all the good news and talk to you guys about what's actually going to be happening now. Because remember, we've got the information that we're not allowed to be out, but right now we've got some more information, people. Yeah, so I would really like to share that with you. Yeah, with the whole experience, the whole journey of Ringo Vision being banned from the local community and whatnot, and with the map that they issued. I hope you guys have actually seen the map that they've actually issued, in the sense of where I can be and where I can't be. So it's a good vibes, people. Yeah, just stay tuned. I'm going to go over everything with you guys, and I'm going to let you guys know what's actually going to be happening over the duration of the next couple of weeks. You understand? I'm here in Turkey right now. You understand? The mission's continued. I'm walking around on the streets right now in Turkey, people. Yeah, just looking to see what it's like and how the homeless community is here. No homeless people, but I do see a bit of poverty, because there's people out here as well, and they do their hustle. They're not begging for money or anything like that, but the hustle is like recycled things like cardboard boxes and things like that. You understand? So that's what I see with the people that are a bit less fortunate. They're not out here begging for money. They actually got their own little hustle to generate money. You understand, people? So yeah, man, it's a good vibes. We're here in Turkey, in Istanbul, and I just want to say good news, people. Yeah, we're going to be back out with the shopping trolley. There's some procedures that you guys have been talking to me about, mentioning charity, mentioning CIC. I really do need some help in regarding a charity or CIC. I don't know much about it. You understand? It's brought to my attention and my awareness through the support of each and every one of you that's been supporting me on this journey. You understand? I think some of you guys know a little bit more than I do. You understand? But at the same time, I love the fact that I've got people like you on my journey that can give me the right advice, that is looking out for Ringo Vision, and that actually wants to see the mission continued and helping humanity, people. Yeah, it's so important. It's so important to me, furthermore, yeah, just to be able to help those that are in need, and for us as a human race to be there for one another. You understand, people? Yeah, and rekindle that love. This year for me, Ringo Vision, yeah, it's the love year. It's all about the love. It's all about rekindling the love. It's all about appreciating life and appreciating everything. So with all of that, we appreciate humanity. I appreciate each and every one of you that's on my journey with me. You understand? It's a nice bright day here in Istanbul. I can't wait to be back in the UK, and I'm excited now to actually just come out with the shopping trolley. Look, he's having fun on his motorbike. You understand? But yeah, man, our good vibes. I really can't wait to be back out with the shopping trolley, people. Yeah, big up yourself. You understand? Me and Chef Ricardo is going to actually be talking about the journey, talking about the movement right now and what's going to be taking place. So big up yourself, everybody. You know what I've experienced over here being in Turkey? The temperature and the climate there in the UK is kind of messed up, because I find that my lips are getting very dry over here, and it's not because of the sun or anything. It's just because of the natural climate and the natural environment and the natural sunlight. When we're there in the UK, it's like something's been taken away from us. So and I felt that effect actually through my lips, people. Yeah, in the fact of like they've been getting dry. I had to go to the pharmacist while I'm over here just for that. But at the same time, the mission continues. Don't worry about that. Ringo Vision is all right. I just wanted to tell you guys, yeah, that we're going to be back out again with the shopping trolley people, yeah, helping those that are in need. You understand, people, yeah? It's absolutely amazing. One love, everybody, yeah? Our good vibes. We're there. So where we're there? With our turkey. And I'm just walking on the streets, just walking up and down the streets, walking through the community, just to see what the community is like. Check out the videos that I've uploaded, people, yeah? Just showing you guys the experience, and anybody that would like to go to Turkey or that's looking for travel and what they can do and things to do in and around Turkey. You understand, people, yeah? Our good vibes. So just to give you a few information, yeah, tour information here in Turkey, things that you can do in Turkey is things like quad safari, jeep safari, buggy safari, rafting, relax boat. They also have a party boat here, Land of Legend. Where?
Combo 4-in-1, that's good.
Okay, they've also got a combo 4-in-1, Turkish bath, horse riding and diving. Are good vibes, people, and this is all Antalya city, people, yeah. So there's so much things when you come here. There's so much things that you can do. More
Land of Legend.
Land of Legend, he said, is very good. The Turkish bath, I tried one. It's absolutely amazing. You understand? Pirate boat as well, people, yeah. So just coming to Turkey in general, yeah. Look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There's so much different things to do, people, yeah? Natural things that you can do in and around Turkey and just have fun for the time that you're here. So if Turkey's a place or holiday is something that you're looking for 2025, you can put Turkey on one of your lists and just go through the countries that you're looking to go to. And you can put Turkey on the list, people, yeah, because Ringo Vision say it's a decent place and the people them nice, it's friendly, the food is good, you understand? And you will most definitely enjoy yourself. The weather is winter here in Turkey, people, and as you can see that in winter here, we still got nice bright sun here in winter. But what I can say that when it gets to night time, put on your jacket or wear a nice jumper, yeah, because it does get a bit chilly. We're still not in that full summer period, but like I said, it's a hot country, so regardless, in the daytime, look at the sun, you understand? It's absolutely amazing, people, yeah. So yeah, man, Turkey, Antalya. Would I come back here again? Most definitely I'll come back here again, because there's just so much things to do, and I haven't done much excursions or anything like that, but I've been checking out the city, checking out the place. It's a nice place, you understand, people, yeah? But like I said, I'm gassed right now. The shopping trolley is coming back out, people, yeah? And what I want to say as well, yeah, is who is on the mission and on the journey with me, yeah? I need some support when we go back out initially on the first day, yeah? I'll be letting you know the first day that I go back out, and I'll need some of you guys to be there on the mission with me, supporting. I think the first day we go back out, I think it'll be good to have you guys that are part of the journey, that believe in what's going on, to just come out with Ringo Vision, and that day we stand with the shopping trolley and we represent humanity, representing helping the homeless community and those that are in need. And one thing I want to say as well, if you are going to come out, bring something to give, bring something to share. It could even just be your presence. That's good enough as well. It could be like you work for the council or whatever environment, hospitality, and you could work with mental health people. There's a lot of people that Ringo Vision meets on a daily basis that are suffering from mental health, that need support. So if you have got the initial energy to come out and give back and use some of your professional backgrounds, that you're in your professional jobs, please come out with Ringo Vision and just share the love with me, you understand, with the people them. Are good vibes. What I like about this country is just to be able to see plants like these, a banana tree just on the roadside, a palm tree just on the roadside, you understand, people? That's absolutely amazing, you understand? And this is what brings the character and the feel of the place, just to know that you're in an environment that they got trees like this. In the UK, you can't see this. So big up Turkey people, yeah, and big up every other country around the world that is tropical said way. We love every country, you know, but there's just some countries that we just enjoy. You understand, people? So big up yourself, our good vibes. Yes, people, Ringo Vision and Chef Ricardo, you know. So Chef Ricardo, you know, say Ringo Vision got the back on the street with the shopping trolley door.
Oh, what you say?
Yeah, man, we're out again, Chef Ricardo. So we are
Out again. Out again. Ringo Vision is on the mission
that is it.
to feed 1 million.
Yes.
homeless.
You understand?
So you say,
yeah, man.
a good look
A good look
and a good vibes.
and a good
You
vibe.
don't know the thing where the people excited and happy. Because the man is on a mission to feed 1 million people.
Yes.
And the mission have been complete.
I feel complete, Chef
Yeah,
Ricardo.
complete.
I feel complete. So the journey continue, you know. Yeah, man, the journey continue, man. I can't wait to get the shopping trolley, Chef Ricardo, and roll out.
Congratulations, my brother.
Thank you very much.
Big
So,
up for yourself.
yeah.
And people, look out.
that is it.
Look out.
Yeah.
New adventure. Yes, man.
Yeah, man,
Excited. But glad to hear that still Ringo Vision because, you know what I mean, but they really stress over it and all them things there. And, you know,
true, man.
feel it from the heart. And that's why I say, yo, let's roll out.
Yeah.
I see that.
And see the trip here we take, Chef Ricardo, and patience. Patience bring everything, you know. Because you can't too hype and you can't too forward. When it's time for chill, you have to chill.
Definitely.
You can't overdo it neither.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we're happy. And, you know what I mean, it's a very good look because when you look on the whole, when I think on the whole thing, I say, John was star. When you look, we can't say something to a Ringo in your video.
Yeah.
But, you know, me, I watch one of your videos and me, the guy was like, I've been here for 3 years.
Yes.
And no one never see us.
Yes.
You know what I mean? And then you come out and do something.
Yes.
And then something, you know what I mean? But
Yeah.
that's I say that still, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
If you know, say, boy, the work you put in is a very good look, brother.
Thank you.
1 million people were gone feet.
That is it. 1 million people, yeah, we're gone for it. That
The
is
half it done.
half
The
it.
work have to done.
The work have to
It's
done.
a
man.
mission.
It's a mission.
So God called you on a mission.
Yes.
You have to complete it.
You have to
And if
complete
you
it.
don't complete it, you're ungrateful.
And you're in a problem
I
too.
got problem.
So me are telling the people here, so Ringo Vision and Chef Ricardo there so right now. And it's like the biggest joy. The biggest joy we just get a turkey right now. You understand? The biggest joy we get people here. So we cannot complain. And you understand? Huh?
Who's that? Hello.
Yes.
How are you, my friend?
Yeah, and I give me a real five. You try it.
This is for rent, my friend. The money you rent it here.
Give me a try off the bike. I want to know if I can ride it.
Eh?
I want to know if I can do it.
Easy.
That's the gas.
You have driver license?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good vibes, man. We're outside.
Yeah, nice.
Yes, everyone. So you know it's all about food, yeah. So yeah, man, we're gonna be back out very, very soon to feed the homeless. You understand? I'm so excited, like I said. You understand? It's here with Chef Ricardo for people, yeah. And I'm just getting some dinner right now, and then I'm just gonna be reminiscing on, you understand, be back out in the community, helping the community, helping the homeless, those that are in need, people, yeah. You see this chef here? Okay. All right. I can't wait back to get into my chefing position, people, yeah. To be handing out food to those that need it and those that are in help, people, yeah. So big up yourself. One love, everybody. You don't know what I've won. We're gonna be back out again. So the announcement, I got an email and I've got some messages come through to confirm that, yeah, Ringo Vision can be back out on the streets cooking and feeding the homeless people, yeah. Good vibes. Yes, people, so a good vibe. So dinner time right now. So on my plate right now, what I got here is just some salmon and a bed of vegetables. Then I got some creamy mash, you understand? This is some hot chili salsa. A good vibes, people, yeah? That is it. Yes, everyone, so this is what I'm having for dinner right now. So I've got salmon, just a bed of different variations of vegetables, you understand, people, yeah? With some lemon to squeeze on my salmon and just squeeze that lemon on people, yeah. Big up yourself, everybody. We've got some good news, like I said earlier. You understand, we're gonna be back out again on the mission. So I'm just making the most of the time right now. You understand? God is great, people, yeah? We have to give thanks to the Father, you understand, people, yeah? Because we're not here alone, you understand? So big up yourself. So in this plate here, I've got some creamy mash, some salsa, hot chili, and some more vegetables again. So really and truly what I'm having is like the creamy mash and some salmon with the vegetables, people, yeah. But big up yourself. One love to each and every one of you that's been on the journey with me. You understand? You guys have seen what's been going on, and the excitement is back. You understand, people? Yeah, it's always there, but it was turned down. But guess what? We're gonna be back out again on the mission, and I can't wait to be back with the shopping trolley, people, yeah, and feeding all the hungry mouths and all the people that are in need, you understand, and all the people that are waiting for Ringo Vision to come back out and put in that work and put that help back in, because the mission continues. We've got 1 million people to feed and help across the UK and around the world, people, yeah. So yeah, man, thank you very much, everybody, yeah. And I hope this news was pleasing to you guys as much as it's been pleasing to me, you understand, people, yeah. So that is it. A good vibes. Big up yourself, and I see you guys again in a couple of days, you understand? Yeah, man. Yes, my people, you understand what I'm going right now. So the mission continues, yeah, and I'll be back out very shortly with the shopping trolley. I appreciate every single one of you guys, yeah. And we've had some good news, you understand? Just, you understand? Easy. Because nothing can stop, you understand? We just have to have faith, you understand? Have faith. Faith is important, you understand? Because what is to deter us from what we are doing here in life? Nothing can stop you other than yourself. You see, when you believe in what you believe in, and we believe in what we're doing, that is it. Sometimes we're going to get some fight, we're going to get some struggles, you understand? But guess what? We're not giving up. And that's the most important in everything that we do. We're not going to give up. We're not going to let the people down. We're going to stand for the people, and humanity, you understand, is the biggest thing. And let me tell you what, the biggest thing in the whole entire universe, not the world, the whole entire universe. What is the biggest thing, people, yeah? It's love. You understand? And if you don't have love, you kind of like, you're void. You understand? You're missing something. You're coming like you're empty. So guess what, people, yeah? You see, the mission that we're on is all about love. And I need every single one of you that's watching this video, that's been on the journey, to just, you understand, just bring in yourself closer. Bring in yourself closer, because guess what? The support is needed. And you see, when I'm out with the shopping trolley, we need those of you, you understand, to come out, stand with us, help to share, bring what you can bring, you understand, provide what you can provide, you understand, because we have 1 million people to feed. So you understand, that's minimum 1 million cups of soup or 1 million plates of food, and that is the reality, people, yeah. So you understand, Ringo Vision set it off. But guess what? Ringo Vision need the people them to be a part of the journey, because it's not about Ringo Vision. It's about all of us. You understand? We are all in this together. You understand, people? One love to each and every one of you. Our good vibes. You understand? That is it. I ain't got too much more to say. All I got to do right now is to continue on the mission, and I need you guys there. You understand? And I'm letting you know that I need you guys there. So don't distance yourself, you understand? That is it. One love, everybody, yeah? Our good vibes. You know where I'm sitting down talking to you guys right now? I'm right here in Turkey. You understand? And the mission continues. That is it. Our good vibes. One love.